And spike in COVID cases also having an impact on some of the youngest. Right now, 11 children are hospitalized with COVID-19 at Arkansas Children's Hospital. Our Jessica Rank spoke to the hospital's chief of infectious disease today to get her take on what parents can do to protect their little ones. Jessica.
Yeah, Kevin, I talked to her today, and she said out of those 11, about half were under the age of 12, which means they couldn't get vaccinated. And now the hospital is pleading with adults to get the shots, not only to protect themselves, but to protect our kids.
This is how I climb this slide.
Roland Bays is less than 2 weeks away from his 12th birthday.
Don't try this at home.
This year, instead of cake or presents, he'll be heading to the doctors, rolling up his sleeve to get vaccinated against COVID-19.
He misses his friends. He has been isolated so much the past year, and he's an extrovert.
Tamara Haddock is Roland's mom.
We gave him the risk, we gave him the benefits, and we let him decide for himself if it was worth it.
She says she didn't want to pressure her son to get the shot.
At the end of the day, it is his choice.
But is thankful his decision could help keep him out of a hospital bed, which are few and far between at Arkansas Children's.
Right now, we have 7 patients in the ICU, 5 of whom we know have COVID and 2 of whom we suspect have COVID.
Jessica Snowden at the hospital says they're seeing more patients with COVID-19. Counting those in the ICU, 11 hospitalized with the virus.
Of those 11 patients, 7 of them are eligible to be vaccinated but haven't been vaccinated yet.
Snowden says some are being placed on ventilators, fighting for a life that for them just started.
I think it's really frustrating for families and scary for families to know that their children have been exposed to something that we may or may not be able to protect them against.
Half of the patients couldn't get the vaccine. Snowden says it's up to the adults to protect those
They're relying on us
who can't protect themselves. And sometimes it starts with the youngest eligible for the shot.
He can?
Doing his part to save another kid looking forward to their 12th birthday. Now, Arkansas Children says this is the worst they have seen it since the beginning of the pandemic, and want to remind people that a lot of what they're seeing is the Delta variant, which we're learning is spreading a lot quicker than this time last year. Reporting live outside of Arkansas Children's, I'm Jessica Rank for Fox 16 News.
All right, Jessica, thank you.